Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday, day 77, 78. Ooh, I don't know. I think it's 77. Not 100% sure. It's Super Bowl Sunday. So, as I've said in the past, I used to be a big football fan. I could care less at this point, but I will be watching the Super Bowl with the family, doing the M&M thing. So if you like football, I hope your favorite team is playing, and I hope your team wins. So, you're happy. Of course, everybody's team can't win. All the bikes are back in the garage. Excited about that. And I got my workout in. It's all cloudy and dreary though. Yuck. It poured last night, so we got some rain. We needed it. We don't get a lot of rain from like November to April. So when we do get some, we usually need it. So definitely needed that. Hopefully Mama Badger puts the finishing touches on all of our painting today. And then I think next weekend we'll be able to put the sinks and all back in once everything's dried, cured, all that fun stuff. So since she's gonna be doing that today, if she doesn't need my help, I think I'll take Silver out and put a few more miles on her if I get lucky and have time. So super windy today too. That makes the workout a lot more worky outy. Anyway, I'm gonna go have some coffee. We'll see you in a bit. Hi guys. So today we've kind of finished the project, at least finish all of the painting and the epoxy. Give you guys a look at what she did. So you can see she speckle painted it to give it some color, so it's not just stark white. And now we're getting ready to mix the epoxy and put an epoxy coat over the top of it. We've never done this before, so who the hell knows what's going to happen. But I'm in here today as extra hands. So, I mean, yeah, I can really mess up stuff like this. So we'll see what happens. Wish us luck. All right, guys, we got the epoxy all down. Just letting it dry now. Ooh, stinky in here. See how shiny it is now? All glossed up and ready to go. Then of course we're gonna have to clean up all this mess when we're done, but I think it turned out really good. It wasn't too bad. It took both of us, for sure. Not something one person could have done.
Thank you, Sandy.
I got wrangled into doing this, so. Anyway, it's done now. We just gotta let it dry. Keep an eye on it. Woohoo! Another project down. Been a good weekend so far.
It's not done yet. I still need the bowls and the faucets. You're not done yet.
I can't even have the little fucking victories, can I?
Okay, come on, hello.
It's piece by piece. The epoxy's done. Leave me alone. All right, so it's pretty much a waiting game on Angie's bathroom at this point. We've done all we can do. We just got to let it dry. We're literally going to let it dry and cure all week. Then next weekend we will put in the new sinks and all of that fun stuff, which means I should probably go ride Silver some more, right? Gotta get her all broke in and ready to go. So I'm gonna hop on Silver, go for a ride. It's super freaking windy today. You can see all the stuff that's blown up here, but it's crazy windy today. And I don't care. I'm gonna ride anyway. So let's get a ride in before Super Bowl tonight. See you in a few. Hi guys, just got back from taking Silver for a ride. Silver has her first 50, so I put my first 50 miles on the rebuild. Everything is looking, sounding, riding, everything seems to be good. So we'll just keep breaking it in, and hopefully everything's golden, and Silver will be back to her old self again. Then I just have to decide, do I take Silver on Route 66, or do I take Red on Route 66? That'll be my next question. Decisions. Anyway, I'm gonna go and watch the Super Bowl. Hope you guys have a great evening. And all right, Super Bowl Sunday. We actually had candy, M&Ms First candy I've had in like 3 months.
Same here. I have not cheated. I don't think. No.
So, we've had candy, had steak, had shrimp.
But you gotta tell them about our M&M bowl.
I've already told them in previous videos about our M&M bowl, how we watch the Super Bowl and then everybody eats M&Ms when their team scores.
And I seriously think that when the M&Ms, the commercial that had about the M&M bowl and all, I think we saw that last year or the year before. That was from us, I swear to God, because we've been doing it since
Angie
the
says
kids were like,
they copied us because we've been doing it for like 18 years.
we have been, and so I think they got it from us. Trendsetter, just saying.
Angie's so trendy. Anyway, we got the bathroom all done, bike all done. Man, what a weekend. Fence done, bathroom, bike. What else happened this weekend that was good?
I got the guest room back.
Guest room's all done.
Workout room.
Workout room's done. We're winning.
I started some laundry.
And laundry. Look at us go. Anyway, Nerdy Badger's here reading her book, watching the Super Bowl, eating M&Ms. And that's it. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow.